Remote sensing continues to provide a wide and dynamic range of applications world over. It is my hope that this mini-MOOC, in addition to providing an overview of agricultural practices in Kenya, has re-emphasized the importance of radar remote sensing in combating food insecurity. Two instances, one of crop monitoring in the fields, and two, the estimation of croplands, have been put across in this mini-MOOC. With the detailed step-by-step data pre-processing, acquisition, analysis, and visualization, it is my hope as well that you will have a lot of fun working with the data as well. I wish you all the best. Thank you.